Danko bafethu Mayela. That's the biggest name on the African continent currently, yabo. Masibheka uBobby Motaung kazilahle likhona ucabangani ngempela ngokuyeka istriker uMayela because bam-ofara uMayela. uMayela angakaziwa this much yabo maqala isizini ngabe nje ulapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuthiwa bam-ofara ku-Kaizer Chiefs nga less than 10 million but-ke uBobby wathi hayi sidura kabi istriker lesa sideserve imali leniyifunayo. Bheka manje ngeke basaphinde bamthole ngaleyo mali leyo because manje udura serious yabo. Makumele bamthole kumele bamsayine ngemali eserious kube ne-packaging eserious for yena because lo muntu lo uyawashaya amagoli. Ubulala Orlando Pirates ebulala iMamelodi Sundowns wamnika i-chance uzoyivalela phakathi. First leg ePitori wathola ama-shots goal 2 golden opportunities ezakawazange kwavalela phakathi but guess what lo muntu lo umele wa-create ama-opportunities uzowashaya. So uBobby Motaung la khona ucabanga ngempela ukuthi sayeka i-chance engaka yokusayina iplayer eligudi kangaka because u-eda i-energy u-eda nje like he's able to track back, he's able to go forward. Mamfakela ibhola u-lively like uyaligijimela noma ebona ukuthi akana chance ukuthi alithole but istriker esilwayo ngempela esizicreate-ela ama-opportunities esizivezayo makushawa ama-cross laphana wenza iphutha nje laphana kweboxini ekhona ulo uMayela uzovalela phakathi ufinishe as i-top goal scorer ku-best competition yase-Africa. Udlale kahle kakhulu. I think what a loss for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ngakwazi ukumsayina while bedinga vele i-striker yabo. No-coach ulona uNabi udinga i-striker njengamanje besidinga futhi njengoba bejoyina laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke uMayela i-Kaizer Chiefs ayifunanga ukumsayina yabo. Yeah, mhlawumbe uyazisola la khona uBobby but-ke what a striker bafowethu. Ubulala i-Sundowns ku-final, ubulala i-Pirates kuma-semi-finals namanye ama-team dala ashaya ama-goals, top goal scorer laphana ku-CAF Champions League this season naseligini yase-Egypt yawashaya amagoli. But-ke let's wait and see kubona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs isazokwazi ukumsayina but I don't think Kaizer Chiefs isazom-afforda bafowethu because manje ubhekwa abantu abaningi. Danko.